Hi everyone, in this question it is asking you are going to an outdoor concert and in a concert there is a mic and you are standing, this is you, and this is a mic in a concert, this is a mic, and from mic there is some waves are coming. These waves are reaching to your ears. This is your ear. So you have to find what is the minimum distance you should stand from this mic so that there is no hearing loss. You will not feel discomfort. So you have to find this. Clear? So the formula which we will use in this problem, beta beta is equal to beta is equal to 10 log base 10 I upon I naught. So what is beta? Beta is a sound intensity level. I is the intensity. What is I naught? I naught is the standard reference intensity. Its value is 2.5 into 10 की power minus 3 watt per meter square. Clear? So value of beta is given in the problem. Beta is 94. Beta is equal to 94. So 94 is equal to 10 log I upon I naught. I naught is a standard reference intensity. Its value is 2.5 multiply 10 की power minus 3. We have to calculate I. So I will come out to be, when you solve, 2.512 multiply 10 की power minus 3 watt per meter square. So we have calculated value of I. Now in the problem power is given at the mic. There is a mic. This mic having certain power, that is P, which is equal to 53 watt. So as we know that power is equal to watt I intensity into area. Value of I is given. Area will be 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So power 53 divided by 4 pi multiply intensity. Intensity is 2.512 in 10 to the power minus 3. So you can easily calculate what is R. Value of R will be 41 meter. So R is equal to 41 meter away. Means you have to stand 41 meter. This is you and this is the mic. So you have to stand 41 meter away from this mic. So this is the answer of this problem. It is R is equal to 41 meter away. Thank you so much.